Hello everyone, this is Charlie Flores, your local St. Johns County Realtor. I'm a Realtor with Herron Real Estate. Today I'm out here in the Nocatee community located in Ponte Vedra, Florida. Today we're going to be taking a look at this model home by Providence Homes. Now this model home is located in the Seabrook Village neighborhood, and it's a rear loading home that sits on a 40-foot home site. Now rear loading meaning that the garage will be towards the back of the home and not your traditional home where the garage opening is located at the front. Now this home, as shown, is 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, has a 2-car garage, and has approximately 2,087 square feet. Here we're walking into the entry or the foyer. Now standard, this house comes as a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. But in this model home, they've added the structural option for the bonus room upstairs. Now here we're walking into the owner's suite. And this bedroom is approximately 13 feet with 8 inches by 16 feet, 8 inches. It's a large bedroom. You have the vaulted ceiling. Now here we're walking into the owner's bath. You have your water closet over here. And then you have your walk-in closet. Right, and then you have the shower over here. You have the transom window allowing some natural light. All right, we're going to continue our tour. All right, now here we're entering the kitchen. You can see this is a nice open space where you have the dining room area and the living room all next to each other. Here you have the island. And over here we have the standard kitchen layout. You can upgrade to a gourmet kitchen where you're going to have the cooktop, and then you're going to have a designer vent with the microwave and oven combo. And here we have the pantry. All right, next we have the dining or the cafe area, and this space is approximately 12 feet with 6 inches by 10 feet 6 inches. Get another view from this side. And we're going to continue our tour over here to the bedrooms. And here we're walking into bedroom number 2. Has been set up as an office. Now this room is 11 by 10 feet. Here we have a closet, and in between the bedrooms we have a linen closet. And then we have bathroom number 2. This is going to be a full bath. All right, now we're going to head over to bedroom number 3. And bedroom number 3 is also 11 by 10 feet. Here you have the closet. All right, now we're going to go ahead and take a look at the family room or the living room. And this area is about 14 feet with 6 inches by 15 feet 6 inches. Now this home includes the structural feature of the bonus room. Now without the bonus room, these steps would not be here. and you just have your laundry over here. And this house without the bonus room would be about 1,655 square feet, but as shown here, this model is about 2,087 square feet. Upstairs we're going to have the 4th bedroom and a full bath. Here you have the closet. It's a nice sized closet. You can walk in. And this bonus room is 19 feet by 14 feet 8 inches. So it's a large room. Here's the full bath. All right, let's go take a look at the lanai or the covered patio area and then the back of the house. This is the 2-car garage. And over here we have the covered patio. Right. Now here they've built a summer kitchen, giving you an idea of what you can do for your covered lanai. It's also been screened in. All right, so here we are at the back of the home. This is your entrance. So here we have preserve, but if there was another home backing up, you'd have the garage opening. If you're interested in knowing more about Providence Homes or interested in moving to the Nocatee community or St. Johns County area, feel free to give me a call, shoot me a text or an email. I'd love to assist you with your new home journey. Once again, my name is Charlie Flores, your local St. Johns County Realtor. I hope you enjoyed the video.